Balsamic Grilled Chicken. Ingredients: 2 pounds. Chicken breasts, tenders, or thighs. 2 cup extra virgin olive oil depending on preference. 3 tablespoons fresh lemon juice. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. 1/4 cup brown sugar. 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. 3 garlic cloves minced or 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 1½ teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon pepper. Fresh parsley. Directions: in a bowl, stir together oil, lemon juice, soy sauce, balsamic vinegar, brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, garlic, salt, and pepper. Pierce chicken breasts with a fork all over. Place in a large Ziploc bag. Pour marinade over chicken. Let marinate for at least 30 minutes. 4 to 5 hours is ideal. Preheat grill to medium heat. Brush grill with oil to prevent sticking. Place chicken on the grill. Cook for approximately 5 to 6 minutes per side, depending on the thickness of chicken. The internal temperature of the chicken should reach 165 degrees. Remove chicken from grill and let rest for 5 minutes.